After installing the Dragon Naturally Speaking, I got an elevated mode error, and this is what it looks like. Cannot run in elevated mode. Basically that's because I'm on Windows 7 as the administrator. So the way to fix that, go to Start, Control Panel, Add or remove a user account. Go ahead and turn on your guest if that's off. Once you turn it on, create a new account, and this one you just name it whatever. Standard user, create account, and there it is. When you log into your new user account, and you should be able to use the software. Hope it helps.